Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking data availability and permissions so pages actually load. Once done, enable cellular data for Safari in Settings. This grants the browser network access. Next, open Safari and tap the address bar to enter a URL or search. Use lightweight pages or reader mode initially to confirm connectivity, because heavy media can exhaust your plan. Make sure background data is allowed for critical tabs. This prevents timeouts when you switch apps. Once browsing, control data by limiting active tabs and enabling reader mode for articles. That strips extra images and scripts so pages use less data. You should also disable automatic media playback and request mobile or low bandwidth sites when available, because streaming is the main data drain. To maintain speed and privacy, clear cookies or cache for specific sites in Settings Safari. This resolves misbehaving pages without losing all saved data. Make sure to monitor data consumption regularly. To wrap up, save important pages to reading list or bookmarks while you still have data so you can read offline later, and then disable cellular data for Safari to prevent unexpected background usage. If a page won't load, try toggling airplane mode briefly and reconnecting. This refreshes your network interface. If that fails, force close and reopen Safari or restart the device, because DNS or cached errors often clear that way. Keep an eye on your data meter after heavy sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.